Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the TOEFL in 2 months. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and scoring system. Next, create a detailed 8-week study plan, allocating specific times for each section. Finally, assess your current English proficiency to pinpoint areas needing the most improvement. This foundational step ensures your preparation is targeted and efficient, setting you up for success. To master each section, dedicate daily time to reading academic articles and practicing comprehension. For listening, actively take notes while listening to university lectures or discussions. Improve your speaking by recording yourself during timed practice, focusing on clear articulation and coherent ideas. Finally, enhance your writing by outlining essays and expanding your vocabulary for diverse topics. Consistent practice is key. Taking full-length practice tests weekly is crucial to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand where you went wrong. Pay close attention to time management during all practice sessions to ensure you can complete each section efficiently. Always use official TOEFL materials for the most accurate preparation. As your test day approaches, maintain a positive mindset and practice relaxation techniques to manage any anxiety. Ensure you get adequate rest and proper nutrition throughout your entire preparation period. If possible, familiarize yourself with the test center's location and procedures beforehand. Trust in your hard work and preparation. Approach the exam with confidence. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.